let's log in here. Alright, let me sign into here. Oh. Oh. Alright, now we can wait. Alright, got this. That's due Monday. That's due tomorrow. So, you know what? Let's come. Where is it? It's gonna be Delta Math. I almost said Savas. Delta Math. Alright. We're gonna go here. Scroll all the way down. You need to click on this. I have that played, and I open another tab. Alright. And then we come here. We go here. Transformations that would map polygon ABCD onto polygon ABCD. Alright, 1, 2, 3. So it gotta shrink down by 3. Dilation, center to origin. Hello, Ashar. Followed by a translation. Very good. With scale factor of 1/3. That would be not 1. 1/3. And then we would go left, right? 1/3 will bring us here, here. Yep, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 4 units. Yep, that's correct. Oh, 9 people, nice. Alright, so E is here. We would have to do a reflection over the y-axis. And that would put us right there, yeah. So then we would just need to go. Alright, so it put us there. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 down. Translation down 6. Yeah, okay. This is supposed to be 10th grade geometry, apparently. This does not feel like it. Alright, so it reflects. And then we go down 1, 2. Alright, we go down 3. So reflection followed over the Y, followed by translation down 3 units. No, I did that wrong. Alright, so it's translation's correct. Oh, it's gonna be up because this one's the regular and that's the one. Okay, I did the opposite. Alright, there we go. That's so then we refresh, and the video is watched now. And then we come here. Not there. We go here. Alright, HIJK is similar to quadrilateral LMNO. Find the measure of side NO, this side. Figures are not drawn to scale, so we do 57 divided by 19. Alright, that's 3. Now we do 25.5 divided by 3. and that's 8.5. 8.5 is the measure of NO. Find the measure of VW. Alright, we just do, that's just 3, so that's 11.3. This is 4.3. No, I mean, this is 2.3, sorry. Right? Yeah, 2.3. So 6 times 2.3 equals 13.8. 0.8. Alright, and that's just 39.8 divided by 8, because I have no clue what that would be. It's 4 times 4, 19.5. This one's easy. No. Haha. J, so GJ, NK, NK. Oh. So is it going to be IH? Yeah, it's going to be IH. But this is still supposed to be correct. Oh, KL. I'm stupid. Wait, that's correct angle. Because we do 39.8 divided by 8. Then we times that by 4. Not 5. 4.975 times 4. 19 point. Okay, I think I did like a 1 off. Yeah, alright. Hello there, King Frog. So it's 36 divided by 9.3 divided by 9.3. And we're finding the measure for PQ. So we times, so we take 72, 36 divided by 9.3, yep. So then we take this number, copy it, and then we take 72 divided by that number. We get 18.6. And we submit. And we'll go to the next section. Determine if GHI and triangle JKL are or are not similar. Or if they are, state how you know. Alright, so 54 would have to be equal to, KJ, so these two, IH, so LK would be equal to IH, so where's LK? 63 would equal 21, so it's times 3. So if this is that, then this would be that, and this would be that, right? Let me just make sure. JL, that one, and IG, yep, IG. So 57 divided by 19 equals 3. Means 54 divided by 18 would have to equal 3. And it does. So this is equal, or similar, because SSS. Determine a triangle CDE and triangle FG. Alright, so we're just doing the same thing over and over. Or that would equal, wow, just that stutter. Alright, so it's 135 divided by 27. Alright, 155 divided by 31, and these are similar because SSS. Determine if triangle MNO and triangle PQR are or not similar. Are or are not. So the angle is correct, so that'd be, I'm just gonna 3, yep, are not. They are similar because SAS included angle congruency. So 89 plus 40 to 139. We need a 49 angles. They are. Because of AAA. I mean, AA. Oh yeah, all they need is 2 angle congruent. Yeah, but it still doesn't matter. Alright, so 31, 45. No, they're not congruent. Wouldn't have made sense if they were congruent. Wouldn't have added up to 106. Well, to 101 for that one. 26. Okay. Alright, in the diagram below, line MN is parallel to JK. If KN equals 12, MN equals 20, and JK equals 36, find the length of LN. LN is this. So KN equals 12, MN is equals to 20, and JK equals 36. I have no clue how this works. Doesn't this just split in half? So shouldn't LN just equal 12? Shouldn't LN just do that? No. I don't know how this works. I don't know how to do this. Don't give me the answer. You're dealing with similar triangles in a segment parallel to one side of the triangle. Even though I can't see the picture, these problems are almost always follow the same pattern. Here's how to think about it without going straight to the answer. Oh, they can't see the picture anyways. Alright, so they can. KN equals 12, MN equals 20, JK equals 36. When a segment inside a triangle is parallel to one side, it forms two similar triangles. The big triangle with base JK, the smaller triangle with base MN. So triangle LKN is similar to triangle LJK. So that and LNM. I think they're talking about this. Yeah, they are. Alright, so they're similar. Accept the ratio of similarity. You know two corresponding sides, small base MN 20, and then big base JK equals 36. So MN over JK equals 20 over 36 equals 5 over 9. Oh yeah. That means any side in the small triangle corresponding to the big triangles 5 over 9. Now I need to figure out. Oh, 5/9. Okay, so 12 divided by 9. 12 divided by 9 times 5. That's 6.66666. 6.6. This doesn't seem correct. This doesn't seem like it'd be 6.66. This wouldn't be. We're looking for this. That wouldn't be. That's. Come here. Wait, no, triangles we started working at is at the beginning of the book. Oh, that's the back, okay. Oh, whoopsie daisy, it fell into my lap. Hold on, wait, maybe if we just put 1 in, just put 6. Let's see, was it actually correct? It's 15, so let's see how they did this. Because we just learned how they did this. Yeah. Alright, number 1. Yeah, so that's just, yeah, what they were saying pretty much. Oh, that's the full triangle, x plus 12. Okay. So x over x plus 12 equals 20 over x. X 36, 20 times x plus 12. Oh, okay, so we're multiplying these. 36 equals 20x plus, okay. So if we grab this, alright, so, PR, this full length is 5, and ST is equal 4. Find the length of SR. That's a whole different equation. So we have this full length here. We have this, and we're looking for this. How do you expect me to find this? Huh? How do you expect? I'm gonna have, alright, just like last night, I'm gonna have not Grammarly, what's it called? Gemini, teach me this. Not give me the answer. Not give me the answer. Just teach me. Teach me. Did I just get a notification about something? Okay, I did. It's not important. Teach me how to do this. Don't give me answer. Alright, teach me how to do it, cause alright, let me go to my notebook and write it down once I learn how to do this. Alright, to solve this geometry problem, I almost said geometric problem, geometry problem, the key is to recognize that you are dealing with similar triangles. Since ST is parallel to PQ, the smaller triangle RST is a scaled down version of the large triangle RPQ. When two lines are parallel, ST is parallel, okay, set the proportionality ratio. In similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is constant. This means SR over PR equals ST over PQ, which equals RT over RQ. Translate the English into algebra. I don't know English. X. Really, it does? Oh, I wasn't paying attention to that. Alright, so SR equals X. PQ equals 2x. And PR is equal to 5. And ST is equal to 4. Plug into the proportion, take the first part. Hi.
I need to get it now.
The freezer?
Mm-hmm. What do you want me to do about it? Ain't that not gonna You did make your office on top of the freezer, so it's really not my fault.
Swear to God, where does he expect me to go otherwise? Alright. Where's my pencil at now? It's right here. Alright. Alright, so SR. Hold on. Okay, there we go. PR equals ST over PQ. So it's going to be x over 5 is equal to 4 over 2x. Solve for x. Alright, this is easy. So we do this and do that. So it's just x. 2x squared. And it's equal to 20. So it's divided by 2. Divided by 2. That's x squared is equal to 10. So it's just 10. And we just solve for x, right? Hold on. Let's solve for x. Yeah, alright. DE is equal to sections. DE is equal to AC minus 6. DC is equal to 12. AB is equal to 18. Find the length of AC. AC is minus 6. D is equal to AC minus 6. But we want to find the length of AC. If D is 6 less than that, DC... Wait, hold on. Alright. So DC... This is 12. And DE is 6 less than that. And AB is 18. So we want to do long and shorten first triangle. Wait, so AC is equal to x plus x minus DC. Alright, it's x plus 12. There we go. Alright, then we have, alright, so this long thing is x minus 12. After, let me go up here. Start doing stuff. So, PQ is 2x. And PR is equal to 5. And ST equals to 4. So it's SR over PR, which is equal to ST over PQ. So it'd be the same thing here. So DC over AC. That's 12 over x plus 12 is equal to ST over PQ. So it's just DE. DE is x minus 6 over AB is 18 over 18. So this and this. So x. So it's x squared minus 6x plus I'm confused. Okay, so just times each other. Yeah, so plus 72, which that is equal to 18 times 12. That's 16 right there. It's 20. It's 30. Add 0. Do that. That's 1 8 plus that's 216. So that's equal to 216. It's minus 72. Minus 72. That is a x squared minus 6x, which is equal to 216 minus 72 would be 144. 144. My friend is messaging me. Alright, and then we divide this by 6, divided by 6, divided by 6. That's x2 minus x is equal to x squared. Oh, she noticed. Anyways, she knows I'm streaming. Alright, so x squared minus x is equal to 24. Alright, so then we have to divide this by negative 1. 1 negative divided by negative 1. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Anyways, let's proceed. Plus x is equal to negative 24. We've done something wrong here. This x is supposed to be gone. We did something, or I did something wrong. I don't know where, though. Or when, or how. Okay. Ooh, text. Screensaver. Clock timer. Social. Oh, caption. Sticker. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, and then add. And then we can add this all the way up here. Hold on, let's edit. Never mind. Anyways, let me not get distracted here. Alright. So this X is not supposed to be here anymore. So how do we get rid of this X? We have to subtract X on both sides. Right? But if we just... So x squared plus x equals negative 24. So x times itself. Oh, x equals 4. No, it don't work. X has to equal this right here as well. No, this whole thing is... Hold on, Oh, wait, no, it's supposed to be an 18x. It's supposed to be an 18x. That won't do anything still. That will just make it even harder on us. Hey, Gemini. I mean, you can always help me, man? And I'm almost there, Gemini. And I just need, like, a bit of help. Just like, I got 96% completed. 4 more on this one and then 5 on that one. That's 9 total. So how do you split 9? I don't know. Help. I just wasted so much, like, space of my paper on this equation. Oh. No wonder there's not supposed to be any 12. X. Alright, so it's 12. X is equal to x minus 6 over 18. We cross multiply. Hello there, Mark. I do not really play Steel Brain Rot, but I have Brain Rots on it. Alright, so 18 times 12, that's 216. So that's 216 is equal to, yeah, x squared minus 6x. And then we have to add this to this side, saying x squared minus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Because we subtract 216 on both sides. 216 minus 216. And then we add that there. You look for two numbers that multiply to 216 and add up to negative 6. Since numbers are fairly close together, try factors of 216 near its square root, which is about 4.7. 15 times 9. Oh. 15 times 15. No. 15 times to a negative 6. So it's going to be like negative 15 times, wait, 216 divided by 15. 14.4. No. 216 divided by 14 is 15.42. Why am I speaking like that? Like, genuinely, why am I speaking like that? They add up to negative 6. I don't know. I don't know it. 12 times 18. So then it's just x minus 18 equals 0. X plus 12 equals x equals negative 12. So it cannot be negative, so it has to be, which is 0, which turns to x, which turns to 18. So AC equals 18. Don't ask me how. If NO is 4 less than NM, let me flip the page. Let me set this down. Alright, there we go. So now we got NO is equal to NM minus 4. km is equal to 18, and kl equals 12. Alright, figures are not necessarily drawn to scale. State your answer in simplest radical form if necessary. Alright, so we're looking for nm. So we find that by full nm, so nm over km, which is 18. So we got x over 18 is equal to no over kl. So no is x minus 4 over kl, which is 12. So 12. Alright, so we do this. 18 times x, which is 18x, minus 18 times 4, which is 72. So 18x minus 72 is equal to 12x. So we subtract 12x here. Minus 12x minus 12x. We get 6x minus 72 is equal to 0. Alright, this is good. So we divide this by 6, divide this by 6. We get x minus 6 minus 12. We add 12 here. We add 12 here, and we get x equals 12. So that means nm has to equal 12. Oh, that was easy. np, alright, qr is equal to x minus 5. qp is equal to 10. And no is equal to 15. Alright. So we got to do PQ, which is, or QP, which is 10 over X, because we're doing NP. And then we do RQ, which is QR, which is X minus 5 over ON, or NO, and it's 15. So 15 times X and X times X minus 5. So 15 times 10 equals 150, and that is supposed to be equal to x squared minus 5x. So we subtract both sides by 150, minus 150, minus 150. That's 0 is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 150. From there, we're supposed to, let's go back. Nope, let's go back that one page to see what we have to do. Alright, so we take this 216, and we have to equal it to negative 6 here. Negative 6. So we take this 150, and we negative 150, and it's supposed to equal, and it's supposed to, alright, you know what, so we have to take this negative 150, yeah, that negative was also correct. So negative 150, we have to find factors that add up to negative 6 for it. So we can take, or negative 5. So we can take negative 15, yeah, negative 15 and 10. So x minus 15 and x plus 10 equals 0, and we can turn that into x equals negative 15 x equals 15, and x is equal to negative 10. And you have to take so I have to cross this negative out, and we take this 15. So MP is equal to 15. Yeah, okay. I'm starting to understand now. Alright, so if CF is equal to 5, FG is equal to 10, and CD is equal to 15, find the length of FE. Okay, so we have to do X over CF plus EF. So it's CF equals 15, so it's X plus, 15, 5 plus X, 5 plus X. And X, that is equal to FG, so 10 over CD, which is 15. So 15 times that and X, that. Alright, so it's 5, no, it's 50 plus 10x is equal to 15x. And minus 15x minus 15x. That is 50 minus 5x is equal to 0. Alright. So we just take divided by 5, and that's...
Yeah, no, there's still, there was a notification.
10 is equal to, 10 minus 1x is equal to 0 still. So it's just 10 minus x. So we can just do minus 10, and that is just negative 1. X is equal to negative 10. And we can divide that by negative 1x, divide that by negative 1x, and we get x is equal to 10. And is that correct? And that is absolutely correct. Alright, root diagram is not to scale. Anand is 1.75 meters tall. At 10 a.m., he measures the length of a tree shadow to be 41.35 meters. A tree shadow to be 41.35 meters. He stands 36.9 meters away from the tree, so that the tip of the shadow meets the tip of the tree shadow. Find the height of the tree to the nearest hundredth of a meter. Nearest hundredth of a meter. How do I do this? So we have this, and we have this. So, wait, no, we don't have this. We're supposed to find this, but we have this. So let x be that. So it's gonna be 30. No, it's not gonna be 36.9. It's gonna be 41.35. 41.35 minus 36.95. It's 0. It's 41. It's 0. It's 3. It's 13. It's 4. 3. 10. It's 4. It's gonna be 0. So that's 4.40. So it's gonna be 4.40 over 41.35, which is equal to 1.75 over x. That goes there, that goes there. And that's 4.40 x is equal to 41.35 times 1.75. It's 25, 15, 17, 5, 6. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. That's 206. But that's not correct because we have to move this over 2. So it's 2.0675. Alright, so it's 35. 35, that's 21, it's 24. 7 times 1 equals 7, and that's 9. It has to move over 1. That's 5, 4, 9. Alright, so it's 9. And that's 7 times 4, it's 28. And we have this 0, 0. And it's just gonna be 0, 0. It's gonna be 5, 3. 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then we got 1, 4, and then we got this 41 here, and got 35 here. Got this here, so we add this together. We got 5 here. We got 11. We got 1 here. We got. No, we don't. We have 2 there. We have 2 here. 1 goes there. And that 6 plus 4 equals, and that 1 goes there. And this goes here, it's 1, that's 3. We add the 1 here, it's 2, that's 2. And we add another 1 here, and that's 6, that's 7. So it's 72.3125. So 72.3125. We come here and input 72.3125 divided by 4.4, and we get 16. Alright, let's divide this by 4.4. Divided by 4.4. And we get x is equal to 16.4346. And we have to round it to x is equal to nearest hundredth, so x is equal to 16.43. Find height of tree. So it's gonna be 16.43. That's all I need to put. No, that's not correct. Okay. Nearest hundredth of a meter. That's correct. Maybe it wants me to just do this right now. So maybe it wants me to do 72.31 divided by 4.4. 72.31 divided by 4.4. That's going to be the same thing. So I did my math wrong somewhere. Let's do 41.35 times 1.7 times 1.7. That's, oh yeah, I definitely did my math wrong somewhere. It's 70.295, and then we multiply. This one's do all that. Alright, so and then and that's supposed to equal to 4.4. We divide this by 4.4. Alright, we divide this by 4.4. We get 70.295 divided by 4.4. We get 15.976 is equal to x, and that is equal to 15.98 equals x. No, 15.98. 15.98. Huh? How? 16.26. Okay. I did that. Oh, 4.45? What? What? Huh?
Gumi.
I'm gonna slap you. 4.45. Oh my god, you're kidding. Oh. Alright. I'm looking for this. So PR. It's gonna be PR, so it's gonna be X over 135 plus X, which is equal to 265 over 340. We cross multiply, that's 340x, and that is equal to, let me do that, 245, no, not 245, 265 times 135, and that is equal to 35,775. So 35,775 plus 265x. We minus this 340x. Well, yep, 340x, and that's going to be 0 is equal to 35,775 minus 340. It's just 75x. Alright, we divide this by 75. Divide this by 75. So we 35,775 divided by 75. That's 477. And so 0 is equal to 477 minus x. We can add x and add x. So it's 0 plus x is equal to 477. And that's just x is equal to 477. 477. That would not make sense, but okay. Hey, it did now. That was correct. Alright. So, this is fun. So, the triangle is right. Oh, we have two. We have two triangles. Okay. Hold on. Let's just treat this as one. So, it's just gonna go like that, I guess. Or, what's gonna be? I actually don't know. This one stumped me. So you know what? Let me do a bit of this. Alright, now this one is gonna be easy. So let me show y'all. So we got x. Alright. Hold on, let me correct this. We got, so this is the thing. So we got 20 over, nope, it's not over, it's gonna be 2 over 20. 2 over 20 is equal to 12 over x, so do this. That's 2x is equal to 240. We divide this by 2, divide this by 2, and we get x is equal to 120. We come here, 120. Nope, no, mistake. Ooh. So it's 20. Yeah, it's 20. Uh-huh. Says it's incorrect. So that's due tomorrow, and these are the same one. So it's just this due tomorrow. Okay. 121.655. Oh, this is so stupid. 0.655, right? Wrong to the nearest what? Okay. 122. Oh, and then this one. $194.40. 194.48. Oh, just one more. Okay.
I brought them in here.
Alright, let's see. Alright, we're almost done. $10.47. 10.47. Alright, and I'm done. Dismiss. So now we come here. And scroll down, view instructions. Mark as done. Oh god, I have more to do. Yeah, I forgot I have more work to do. Alright, view instructions, mark as done, because that's the same assignment. So we have this one due tomorrow. I feel like it's only 4. I think I already have 1 completed. So, off the topic of math, I have one thing I need to do, because this is actually not finished. So, you know what? We're gonna do a rifle. Alright, so let me go grab the book then. Alright, where's my sketchbook? Sketchbook.
Unless you want to.
Oh, where was my sketchbook?
Just leave it on the counter for right now.
Alright, and we set everything down. I'm gonna take this. Alright, we come here. Alright. 1861 musket. Alright. It's a Springfield model. It's 1861. We take this image. We zoom in as much as possible. Alright. And we go right here onto my notebook paper. Not notebook, but art or sketching paper. Alright. Come here and we begin sketching that. So, let's do it long ways, yeah. Alright, and we do that, and then we do a bit of and then we come in here. Alright. We take these out. Alright. Get the lightest one. And we can begin. Add some shading. Alright, you want to do a bit of this. is more like well, first things first, let's grab this thing. Begin. About 1/2 ways. And then we have one right here. And then we have to add this curve right here. And then we put this back in here. Oh, so it's going to be on the other side. It's going to be this one right here. And then we begin to shade in the entirety of the gun. Hello there, McKinley Reed. And I'm done. So yeah, that's that. So I'm done for now. I'm gonna go in stream, y'all, and I am just gonna finish all of my work. And yeah, till next time, y'all. I hope you all have a good time, and bye.